अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं ब्रेड आलू चाट। दिस इज़ अ वेरी टेस्टी चाट, डू ट्राई इट आउट। चलो शुरू करते हैं। I have taken 4 potatoes. I have boiled it. Now mash it nicely. Add a few coriander leaves, 2 onions chopped, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon zeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, and juice of 1 lemon, 1 to 2 green chillies chopped as well. Mix everything together nicely. Take a packet of bread. Cut off the sides of the bread, cut them into triangles. Apply the mixture to one side of the slice and keep them ready. लो फ्लेम पे तवा रखिए. Apply butter or ghee and toast both sides of the bread for just a minute or 2 each. You can apply the mix and keep it for later if you're having it late, but it is always better to make it just before serving. अब ऐसे भी खा सकते हो, or you can apply green chutney, हरी चटनी और खट्टी मीठी चटनी उस ऊपर लगा के have it. It's too good. Do try it out. खट्टी मीठी चटनी और हरी चटनी का वीडियो is already uploaded. Do check it out. ये एक ऐसा चाट है जो दिल बोलता है खाते रहो. You will not be able to stop at one slice. Bread aloo chaat is now ready. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.